Maharashtra. Now, Maharashtra Transport Minister Pratap Sarnaik has announced that the state government will introduce new school bus guidelines before the next academic year. A single-member committee led by former Additional Transport Commissioner J.B. Patil has been appointed to address the concerns from parents about unregulated fee structures. The Patil committee has been tasked with submitting its report within a month and will consider recommendations from the earlier Madan committee, which examined student safety in auto rickshaw transport. Parents have raised multiple complaints about school bus operators charging fees for 12 months, despite providing services for only 10 months. They also highlighted being forced to pay the entire amount upfront and have demanded a monthly payment option. Shweta, my colleague, continues to stay with us. Shweta, could you give us more details about the concerns and the complaints that have been raised by the parents?
That's right, Anjali. In fact, this is a significant development as we speak about Maharashtra school buses. Now, there have been certain changes that are being made under the entire leadership, in fact, of Transport Minister Pratap Sarnaik. But again, when we understand parents' concerns also, it has been stated that when it comes to the school buses operators, they have been charging them for 12 months, wherein the schools are only open for 10 months. Apart from this, they also wanted certain rules and guidelines that should be there for school buses in the state of Maharashtra. Point number one, they want the installation of the CCTV cameras. They want that the fleet, the numbers and the members should be in their consideration also, that the parents should in fact know that the child is in which bus and who are the fleet members. Apart from this, they have also stated, the parents in fact in a larger interest of parents, this has also been stated that a meeting would be held between the Transport Ministry, a few officials as well as the parents, those who want to keep other suggestions also in front of the Transport Ministry. But two important factors is the safety and security of the children. Point number two is the high demand of the fee what these fleet operators have been charging for entire 12 months. We have to wait and watch what are the new guidelines that would be laid down soon.
All right, Shweta, thank you for getting us those details.